What's up, everybody? On this Mileage Unknown, I'm still over here at Trav's and we were playing with some other stuff today. I think we figured out some stuff on the air cleaner setup, which I've got some more stuff on order. We'll see how that goes. But one of the issues I think we've had with the car, even though I had a new ground cable, new positive cable, when we first put the car together, my buddy came over and tested the positive, found the resistance too high. So we put a new positive cable in, and that seemed to have helped things. But then I noticed the ground cable itself was getting hot as well. So I think there was some issues with grounding. I've always been told on these 6-volt cars that grounding is a major issue. So while I was on the forums, it might have even been the Samba on Facebook or something, somebody else was having the same problems with a 65 notchback 6-volt car that I've banged my head against the wall on this car for so long. And it's starter issues. We got hard start relays. You guys have followed along. You've seen some of the stuff we've gone through. And somebody in that thread had a simple suggestion, and they said they do it on every single 6-volt car they've owned. So I'm going to flip you around and show you what we've done today, and hopefully it makes a difference. The car seems to crank over really, really easy right now. It sat for a couple weeks before I pulled it into the garage, and it cranks over, seems to fire up really nice. So I feel like we're getting closer to this car being drivable, and I can finally clean it up again for the 1000th time and make it look nice. So inside we've got my Optima red top 6-volt battery, brand new positive cables, new wiring. We got the hard start relay, brand new negative cable. And the guy on the forum said one thing he's done on every 6-volt car he's ever owned is put a longer bolt for the negative cable so it comes all the way through the body. We did that here. And then run another negative cable up to ground on the starter. And that's what we've done for Penelope. And honestly, I mean, it sounds, and I don't know how well you'll hear, but I mean, I don't know that this car's ever cranked over that easy every time. Now, where my issue normally comes into play is once the car's hot. So I'm definitely going to go drive around and see if this was a major win or not. But I mean, it cranks so easy now. It's crazy. I'm counting that as a win right now because the flick of the key, it cranks over, which has not been the case for this car. So that might be a solution for any of you guys running 6-volt cars that are having weird cranking issues. I mean, how many starters have we put in this car? How many different things have we tried on this car and not had it work? That seems like it was a super easy addition that totally works. That's going to be it for this quick update on Penelope. Stay tuned for more car shenanigans.